So I got these magnetic eyeliner, easy liquid application lashes with easy liquid magnetic eyeliner. Sorry, I don't have my glasses on, so it's hard for me to read. It hurts when I read without my glasses on. So I got this. It's from Kiss, the brand Kiss, and I actually use them for my nails all the time. And so I got these from Influenster for free for testing purposes. So I'm going to try to test these while I'm working. It says make sure to shake bottle before use. Oh my god, I'm not good at liner at all. And I haven't had any luck yet with lashes, so we'll see. Line lash done. Paraben free, dermatologist tested. Oh good, because that's Sensitive Skin #1, strongest formula. It's in the style Tempt. Long lasting, reusable, no smudge, biotin infused formula. 5 magnets, secure hold. I have to put this on TikTok, and I don't use TikTok anymore, so. Okay. Kiss's double strength magnetic lashes. You see that? Is it blurry? Backwards. Sorry, I got an itch. Alright, mind you, I'm not good at lining at all. And I don't want to do that. Oh. Maybe if I'm supposed to shake it first, I forgot. Sounds like there's something in it. It's like one of those markers that you shake. Those metallic markers. Alright, and then the hell was that? I don't know. Oh, the cats ran when they heard the UPS guy at the door. I haven't gotten a chance yet to get to the door, but I know I have a package from a place called Target. I got Kiss right now on Influencer. I just dropped these lashes. Aren't you supposed to trim them? Maybe not. I'll try to do it without trimming them. Whoopsie. Alright, so I'm gonna try to do this. It smells like, I don't know. Oh my god. I forgot I have hooded eyes. It doesn't look good. I'm gonna have to clean this up, but I need 2 tips. It's definitely too long for my eye. Oh god. I figured I'd do it like while I'm sitting here. It's way too long for my eye though. I don't even know if it's on. I should get those tweezers. Why didn't they give me those tweezers? Ugh. I need a Q-tip so I don't scratch my eye. I mean, if it wasn't that messy, it'd probably look better. It's gonna feel really funny with my glasses on, let me tell you. Alright, so now I'm gonna do the other one. This is, oh my god, why I don't use eyeliner. Well, I don't have a mirror in front of me, it's on my phone. What the hell? The right one came out better, I guess. I mean, aside from the liquid crap on my eye, like on my face, why can't I get this right? It's definitely not sitting right on my eye. Alright, again. Well, I definitely need a Q-tip because I look like a weirdo. It's burning my eye. Oh my god. So this is why I work from home. I definitely gotta clean this. One sec. I got some Q-tips. And oh, it hurts. It's not helping. I should get some makeup remover. Oh my god, this is awful. I almost feel like I should have lined the liner on the lashes. This is not what it's supposed to look like. I'm so embarrassed.